Good morning. So I got a call yesterday that my car was ready and I'm waiting for my lift to arrive to take me to pick it up. Some news, so the 04, everything bolted into it fine. I think I am coming home with a spare drive shaft, a rear diff, and obviously the disassembled transmission, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what was wrong with it today, so stay tuned. I got sticky tires. So these are some sticky boys that were recommended to me by somebody that I was put in touch with that is a tire guru. So I trusted him. We talked about some different ones that I was interested in, and basically these were not only on sale but also seemed to be the best fit for what I do, which is mostly daily driving with the occasional track day for fun. I don't have much room in here anymore, but I was originally going to hold on to the Michelins that are on my car because they have life left and throw them on in the winter so that these can be saved for I don't know, when it's needed, when I drive more, because I'm not obviously going to be tracking in the winter, and these were kind of expensive, so gonna baby them. Somebody else replied to a story and called this little setup a man cave, and I'm not even mad about it. So, owning it. Alright, super exciting. I'm sitting back in my car. It is a trip getting used to the new transmission. It definitely drives differently than the last one. It probably drives... Okay. Anyways, it probably drives more correctly, proper, than the old one. I think I was just used to a broken transmission, so... Yeah, anyways, you are staring at everything in the back, so I'm going to show you what was wrong with it. Alright, so here is everything that they sent me home with. Let's see, the axles, these are going to be the 07 male axles that popped out of the car, even though they were the 05 transmission, because the 05 also used male, and the one that I put in the car is an 04, so I had to swap to female. So came home with axles, it came home with a drive shaft that I ended up not needing. I bought it with the transmission, and then this looks like it is my spare rear diff, which also came with the drive shaft and transmission that is now in the car. So I guess that the one in my car matched up to it. But yeah, we're gonna see what I have in here. Alright, you guys have to bear with me because the first time that I'd ever seen a transmission opened up was when the shop owner went over everything that was wrong with mine with me. So obviously that is the casing. Well, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Is that what that's called? Here is it's more heavy than I thought. Okay, hold on, I have to use two hands. Alright, change of plans. I don't really want to take everything out in this parking lot that I'm standing in, but we're gonna look at everything that I got sent back with. Pretty much just, I guess, God, I'm in such a bad spot right now for a video. My extra modal, there's almost, it was full, I didn't even use it, I don't know what to do. And then, I'm trying to find the one part that was so obviously broken. I'll make this. Ah, there it is. Okay, that little dude is melted. So, now I'm gonna read you the list of what was wrong. And you guys probably know what you're looking at more than I do. This was not supposed to be black, I'm pretty sure he said. As well as maybe down there something wasn't supposed to be black. Not sure, I don't wanna, like I said, I have no idea what I'm looking at, but give me like a month and I will. Alright, so here is what was wrong with my car. I'm sitting here getting judged. But anyways, my original concern with this whole thing going into it was basically that I was locked out of second gear. And I had a transmission whine in fifth gear, but it wasn't, I thought it would be center diff bearings or something. And honestly at that point, with knowing that much was already wrong with the car, I should have just looked for a swap or used one like from the get-go and not even considered a rebuild, but for some reason I thought that I would end up in the same position that I was in, and that like a used one is a band-aid fix, and in some senses it is. So, you know, who knows, at the first track day that I take this to, it could go boom on me, but obviously we're hoping that's not the case. But the other one, they did open it up, and this is what was wrong with it. So they verified it wouldn't go into second gear, and that it was noisy, and then they found the loophole for the input shaft melted, which I showed you, which caused damage to fifth gear, which I think that's maybe the blackening of the gear. I don't really know, I can't remember what he showed me. Also, center diff is broken, and then the second gear sleeve and shaft were damaged. So yeah, I'm gonna spend some time looking at all of this and figuring out what everything is, and maybe even holding on to it to rebuild. That's probably more than I should take on, but that is so far everything, and I am gonna film driving a little bit in the new transmission. So thanks for watching, guys. It's also hilarious because you guys saw the tires in my house, so this all has to stay in my car until I get the tires into the car and figure out a situation, because my place is literally full of car parts and I cannot handle it. I can't drive. Oh fuck. I'm not sure this is gonna work. None of y'all TikTok girls fucking film yourselves driving. Damn it. Ow. Well, now I have to back up because I didn't angle enough for this driveway. So that's my life right now. I'm still gonna fucking wreck myself. Sorry, you can go. I'm so sorry, I can't drive. Okay, I lied. Where are you going? Where are you going so slow? Basically good as new. Thanks for all the support and thanks for watching, guys.